Hello friends, in the last video I gave you a question to find out to prove that tan alpha is equal to tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 and tan alpha is the angle of projection of the projectile, and in the figure I have shown what is theta 1 and theta 2. So let's prove. And also I proved an equation or a variation in the or a special variety of the equation of trajectory 1 in y is equal to x tan alpha 1 minus x by r, where r is the range. Here x and tan alpha together. So let's prove. This is x and this is r minus x and this is y. Here y by x is equal to tan theta 1, y by r minus x is equal to tan theta 2. Now let's see something here. If I separate tan, let's see this equation. Let's see this equation now. Let's put tan alpha in one side. Tan alpha is equal to y divided by x into 1 minus x by r, that is equal to, I can say, y into r divided by x into r minus x. Now let's add this up. Tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is equal to y by x plus y by r minus x. Let's take common y and let's take LCM. X r minus x, r minus x plus x, that will become y into r divided by x into r minus x, and this is equal to tan alpha as we found earlier. So by using this equation, once again I am writing the equation y is equal to x tan alpha 1 minus x by r. We can prove this equation. This expression tan alpha is equal to tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is given in many of the MCQ, in many of the competitive exams like JEE, NEET, in the options. So now you can directly mark the option, and you also know how it is proved. So thank you.